Is-sibt bil-lejl ħallili prova jisraq l-istabbiliment The Light Shop f'Birkirkara. Iżda pulizija li kien għaddej mill-inħawi u ma kienx fil-ħin ta' xogħol qabdu fil-fatt u sfratt tas-serqa. F'kummenti ma' Net News sit l-istabbiliment Pieter Brechman għalli il-ħallil kien faqal bib ta' barra u rnexxielu biss jieħu laptop hekk kif il-pulizija qabdu fil-fatt. Il-laptop kien ritornat. Brechman esprima l-gratitudni tiegħu għal ħidma f'waqta mill-pulizija.
Heads off for the police constable who was off duty, who went after him, obviously called his colleagues most probably, and they caught him somewhere near Valley Road. So thank you very much for this police constable. I mean, I'm not saying risking his life, but you never know, of course, if these people carry some kind of weapon or whatever. So I think, he done his duty to 120%, and I'm very grateful for that.
Minnaħa l-oħra Pieter Brechman esprima d-diżappunt tiegħu għal fatt li l-ħallil ingħata sentenza sospiża wara tressa l-qorti u qal li x-xogħol tal-pulizija spiċċa fix-xejn bis-sentenza ta' qrati li ddeskrivija bħala insult lejn ix-xogħol tal-pulizija.
Hearing then, that the culprit was sentenced or with a suspended sentence, I think that is a big insult to the police force, and shows as well, that the police force or the police force of Malta do their job, but not being backed up by the judicial system. And I think that is something really to think about.
Kien iċwiereb Net News.